Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is June 2025 Patreon Part 2. We'll be looking at some your STO and your 3D printing needs for D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down in the link below. And all the links we'll be looking at will be down below as well. RN Studio, there's like two parts of it. There's one for like anime and video game style, and the other one on the tribe is more D&D oriented. So RN Studio for this month we have the Champions tier. We got Marvel, so we got Thor, Warhulk. Forgot the Lady of Death's name. Forgot her. That's supposed to be Valkyrie. And we got Loki as well. I know they brought back a new Marvel board game, tabletop board game. I haven't really checked much of it. I just see a couple of them around. And let's see here. And we got anime series. We looks like we got some Tekken and Zero Zone Zenless. No, I think these are all Zero Zone Zenless actually. So you can actually have playable. That's actually pretty cool. But yeah, brains rot. Uh, I have no idea what this is actually from. This is the first time hearing about it. I think it's some type of anime or a video game. I don't know. Splash Mountain Disney. So you got Disney character for your minis as well. That's kind of cool. It just comes out of freaking nowhere. That was from last month. Uh, Rescale miniature, also known as Lord of Prince. And looks like we gained Skaven proxies. Let's see here, June. So there's a preview. We got Dragon. Dragons are always cool to have, but I don't have that much shelves. This could become a Rat Lord. Yeah, this could be a cool looking Rat Lord. Looks like a mutated troll with bionic arms going through it. Different types. We got a looks like Skaven with a tank. Yeah, this would be actually a cool proxy to have. And you got some Skavens as well. They look more nasty and aggressive, in my opinion. But I like to see more of like mutation or like decay stuff like that from the warp for it. Well, this will be pretty good. These could probably be for like the Skaven monks that you can't get anymore that they discontinued in many ways. But other than that, if you need more rat folks or use this for your D&D game, that'd be great. I have plenty of rat folks. I using my Skavens from the Skaven Age of Sigmar box. As my rat folk, I don't need too much of rat folks at all. So yeah, rat folk with a gun. We got a cybernetic rat folk. I gotta see if they have Skavens on Age of Sigmar as well. If it is, then I gotta see what the rules are. STL miniatures. These are pretty good for terrain pieces as well. I believe this is the Hobbit, like a farm, a halfling farm. They were doing that. This would go for D&D. And we got like halfling, I think like tavern or stuff like that. You got a four-armed minotaur. Yeah. Yeah, these are all halflings. And I do needed halflings. There was not that much stuff for halflings out right now. So I'm just happy that they're actually getting a lot of halfling train pieces and stuff that we really do need. That's a sleeping goblin. There's goblin, like rat catcher, looks like it. Even goblin. I think these now those these are halflings now. Sleepy halfling, scared halfling, another sleeping halfling, and you get a whole bunch of stuff. I should probably make a hobbit home too, or a hobbit tavern, and have these normal size players bumping their heads and shit in a small bed and stuff like that. That'd be kind of funny in many ways. So yeah, halfling farm set, halfling hostel set. and a Minotaur. Kind of weird to see a four-armed Minotaur. Nom Nom Figures is a figure based for this month. We'll be getting Blue Eyes. These are last month right here. So Blue Eyes, Tang, Gamma, Beru, and Darth Raven. That was last month. This month we'll get Garnet, Freya, Zidanda, Vivi, Brickchicks, Dusa, Sailor Moon, and Rebecca. These are going to be your loot reward. And this is going to be for this month. So we got Chibi Skeletor, Chibi Momo. We have a full figure of Trevor Belmont and the T60 Power Armor and Jen Hawkins. Only thing I'm probably looking forward to is the T60 Power Armor. Uh, but I really wish they made a Conclave one. I'm actually love the Conclave Power Armor set. I think it's more cool looking than the regular T60 Power Armor that's been out. Ruben is another figure as well. You're gonna get one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 figures for this month. Three of them are previous. These two are gonna be for this month. So you got Siren from Nikki and Bradley from Nikki as well. That will be come for you for this month if you're interested. Printing these lovely old big old biddies figures. OXO 3D print. This is another figure one as well. I don't know if they changed the top. I know this is a loyalty reward. June surprise release. So I'm guessing these 4 or 5 are past months. You're gonna get this bus. So we got Captain M for release, Captain Marvel in a summer outfit. The movie sucked. The TV series sucked. I'm sorry. They just need. Sometimes you gotta be true to the comics. So this is probably gonna be the June lineup right here. So you're gonna get Emma. No, see, Emma, not Emma. Yeah, Emma Frost. And forgot her name. Ariel, Captain Marvel. I think she was from Bad Boys or something. And we're gonna get the priest, Mechanist priest, female. I'm looking forward to this one in this set. Anime Girls STL. This was from the previous month. I'm trying to see if they have stuff for coming up for June. I don't see anything or the voting, but they do post stuff like towards the mid or end of the month. So you may want to keep an eye out for what they're going to have out for you guys. Gamescapes is for terrain pieces, mostly for D&D, but you can also use this for your war gaming tabletop as well. So you're gonna get a full size fort, uh, looking like it's going to be pretty cool looking as well. And they do come apart like this. This is all filament. I've been printing some of these guys. This prints on filament, and it is pretty cool. It's just that I need to figure out how to set my filament just right so that I can actually, use less of it and print more of it. And the supports just get stuck. So I got a soldering iron that can change the tips, so you can actually cut the support out of it, and I think that will make it a lot easier. This is the second floor of it as well. So fort's cool. That's from last month. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. 3D art guy, another figure one, but you also could downsize this for your war gaming for Warhammer. This is the welcome pack. You're gonna get Sanguinius, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's Sanguinius, and you got Apothecary, stuff like that. You have a Chaos Titan as well. I don't know. Oh, there's a Nurgle Chaos Titan. I would like to have that. And you got forgot this guy's name from. I think this is Sound. Freaking I forgot the Transformer name. Soundwave. Here you go. Soundwave holding Megatron's head. So yeah. So General Grievous is also for this month as well. That's coming out in Obi-Wan Kenobi. You also got the NPR Ranger from Fallout New Vegas. I'm looking forward to uh, Fallout Season 2 end of this year as well. Well, I think that will be it, guys. Oh, this is the last one that they have coming out. Do I know what this is from? I believe some type of anime. But the looks of it, so I really don't know. If you guys do know, leave it down in the comments below. We got Shadowheart as well. Oh, we're getting a lot of shit. We got Chaos Knight from probably good for Age of Sigmar. We got Doom Guy as well. Anyhow, you guys can look at it on the link down below. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later.